Hey you guys, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing y'all how I created this vibrant peachy glossy look using both high-end and drugstore products. So I'm starting off by priming my eyes. I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer on my lid. And I'm shocked because I just found out that this setting spray that I've been using from BH Cosmetics is not transparent. It's actually tinted in this cream shade. Now I'm just blending that out with a damp makeup wedge. I'm going into this red shadow from out of this Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to basically fill in the outer crease of my eyes and then take it all the way to my lid. So I started off trying to get this nice vibrant red look, but I was inspired by this month's BoxyCharm subscription, which came with this shimmery peach shadow, so it actually changed from being a vibrant red look into more of a peachy look. I'm going to link everything that I used in this video in the description box below. Now I'm just blending this out all over my lid. Now I'm using my Nika K 23 Matte Shadows palette that I got from the drugstore, and I'm taking this slightly darker red shade and I'm applying it to my outer crease. Now I'm using my Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow in the shade Cotton Candy that I got out of my BoxyCharm subscription, and I'm applying this to the center of my lids. This is going to kind of create a halo effect without having to cut my crease or anything. And the color payoff on this was really good. I didn't even have to wet a brush or anything. I just went in directly with my finger and I got the best payoff that way. Now I'm applying some black liquid liner. This is one from BH Cosmetics. Also, I've had it for a while now. As you guys all know, liquid liner and false lashes, I have the hardest time applying these to my eyes. Now I'm taking my No Problem Facial Primer by Touch in Sol, and I'm applying it to my face to prep my skin for foundation. For foundation, I'm using my go-to, which is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the color 910. I apply it directly on my face, and then I blend it out with a damp foundation brush. This foundation is medium to full coverage, so the more you use, the more full coverage you'll have because it's buildable. So I'm taking that same ColourPop No Filter Concealer to conceal under my eyes and the high points of my face, and I'm blending it out with a makeup sponge. I prefer using wedged makeup sponges over the regular beauty blender type sponges when it comes to blending out the concealer under your eyes, because I feel like it cleans up and defines your shadow and liner better. Now I'm using this Becca Hydro Setting Powder that I also got in my BoxyCharm subscription to set under my eyes and everywhere else on my face. This is the first time that I've used a setting powder from Becca because they're pretty pricey, but I'm so impressed with the quality of this powder. I've never had a powder that felt wet on my face. Usually powders kind of dry down and leave you, set, baked, and nice, but this one just leaves you feeling moisturized. So I'm definitely going to have to restock on this once I run out. I'm using my Black Radiant setting powder in the shade Bronze Glow to bronze up my face and add a little bit more warmth back into it. Then I'm taking my black radiant setting powder in the shade Rich Mahogany to contour my face and my nose. I'm touching up my liquid liner a little bit with the same BH Cosmetics liquid liner, and then I'm taking the Ace Beauty Cotton Candy eyeshadow and applying that to the inner crease of my eyes. For blush, I'm using this coral shade called E.L.F out of the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio palette to add a little bit of rosiness to my cheeks. I'm going to go into my Cover FX palette and I'm going to use the pink highlighter to highlight my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my brow bone, and my cupid's bow. Now I'm using the Tarte Big Ego mascara that I also got out of my August BoxyCharm subscription on my lashes. Now I'm adding a little bit of brow liner to my outer bottom lash line, and then I'm taking some of my E.L.F. brow gel to set my brows in place. For lipstick, I'm using E.L.F.'s Kneaded Nude lipstick. This is a 2-ended lipstick tube. I'm using the darker shade of the two. To top it off, I'm using some of Hard Candy's Plumping Serum Volumizing Lip Gloss in the shade Nude Beach. I felt like this was the best lip combo to go with this eye look, and this is drugstore and the lipstick is also drugstore, so you can actually purchase both of these at Walmart if you guys wanted to try them out for yourselves. Now to finish off this look, I just gotta fluff out my curls a little bit, but that is all that I got for this vampy peach glossy look, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to be updated every time that I post. Bye, y'all.